Hello, I'm going to show you how to configure Python Performance Validator for use with 2.x Python runtimes. Python 3 is not supported at this time. So first of all, we go to the Configure menu, Python Runtime. The automatic option is not available due to changes in Windows during the last 8 years. So first of all, we need to click Browse option. And we'll browse to the location where the Python runtime is installed, Python 2.7 on this machine. Python.exe will display the command prompt when your Python program is running, and Python W will not display the command prompt. This is useful if you're using a graphical user interface like TK, for example. So click to select that. Need to actually select it first. Click OK. Click the rocket icon to choose an application to test. So we'll browse to the example application, which is Program Files 86, Software Verification, Python Performance Validator, PPV example. Click Next, click Start. Going to stretch this just a little bit so we can drag it out of the way. Go to Help, so we can see the help thing there. Go to Thread 1, we should see the call stack displayed for it. Try again. There we go. So now we have a real-time call stack when things are happening. Do that again. It takes a while for some of the symbols to come through. And if we do it for something like bubble sort, it will be a bit slow for a while, which is kind of what you expect. So let's just wait for that to finish. And exit the program. Go to the statistics tab. You can see the functions that have, which are actually slash. You can go scroll across the columns, and you can select the column you want by clicking on the column header. So here we've got function as the selection. See, that's the bubble sort has been 85% of the program, whereas the quicksort was 5%. So if we go to relations, we can do the same thing here, refresh, and change it to function, bubble sort. You don't see much going on down here, but click the quicksort, and we can see the callers of quicksort and the functions called by quicksort, which is this lambda here. Go to the call tree, and it automatically shows you the slowest function. Go to the call graph, which is the reduced version of the call tree, and you get the same thing. It shows you the slowest function. So the call tree has every function call in it. The call graph has just the function calls needed to show the behavior of the program. It's a reduced version of the call tree. If you want to perform particular analysis by querying on a particular class or method or file name or whatever, you can do that here. You can see everything that happened in just that one class. And if you've got line timing enabled, it's on this tab here. Okay, so hope you found that interesting. Thank you very much.